Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy, activate and install eSIM on Airalo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Airalo offers a convenient way to stay connected globally through eSIM technology. So the first thing we need to do is purchase an eSIM from Airalo. So you need to create an account from that, visit the Airalo website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, sign up using your email address. Then you need to select the data plan. So browse available eSIM data plans by country or region. Choose a plan that suits your destination and data requirements. Then from there, add the selected eSIM to your cart and proceed to checkout. Airalo accepts various payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and PayPal. Number two, install the eSIM on your device. So they provide multiple installation methods, so ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi during this process. Open the Airalo app and navigate to My eSIMs. Select eSIM you purchase and tap Details, then View Instructions. Choose the direct installation method and follow the on-screen prompts to install the eSIM directly to your device. If you're installing via QR code, what you can do is go to My eSIM, select your eSIM and tap Details, then View Instructions. Choose QR code installation method. You can either display the QR code on another device or print it. On your device, navigate to Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data and add Cellular Plan, and then scan the QR code. The manual installation. So you can access your eSIM details in the Airalo app under My eSIMs, Details, View Instructions, Manual. Note the SMDP plus address and activation code provided. On your device, go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data, add Cellular Plan and enter the details manually. Now to activate the eSIM, so you want to check the activation policy. So some eSIMs activate upon installation while others activate when connecting to a supported network at your destination. Verify your eSIM's activation policy in the Earalo app under My eSIMs, Details, Activation Policy. Then you want to enable the eSIM. So after installation, ensure the eSIM is enabled in your device cellular network. Now we need to configure the settings. So set the Airalo eSIM as the default line for cellular data. Disable data roaming on your primary SIM to avoid unintended charges. Ensure data roaming is enabled for the Airalo eSIM if required. Got some additional tips here as well. So before traveling, it's recommended to install the eSIM before your trip while you have reliable internet access. However, be cautious of the activation policy to prevent premature activation. Device compatibility. So confirm that your device supports eSIM functionality and is unlocked. Support. So if you encounter any issues, Airalo's Help Center is a great way and it provides device specific installation guides and troubleshooting tips if you ever need.